guys, mag-chuchu pala tayo. Mag-chuchu pala tayo, guys. Explain tayo. Tignan nyo kung ilang matches ko. Ilan matches ko kay Chu? Ganito? 7-7. Pwede na ito guys, na? 7-7. Guys, ito pala yung mga kalaban natin. Ayan yung mga kalaban natin. Si Yushon, Delong, Mia, Valier, Julian. Kaya pa boy? Experience pala tayo, no? Experience tayo.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Experience tayo, no? Experience tayo. Hindi lang pala katapat natin sa
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Sorry. Hindi naman tayo.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Launch attack!
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Kaya natin ito talagang
First blood.
In the world of kung fu, speed defines the win.
Initiate retreat. Understood.
kaya natin ito. Hindi pala.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Understood.
Babasahin ko to.
In the world of kung fu,
Ally has been
defines the
wala
winner.
kang kalaban.
launch attack.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Guys, thank you po sa mga nag-like.
Ally has
Ay,
been
subscribe at like.
Everybody up.
Napalaban tayo.
Empty your cup in order to fill it.
Basag ang tore nyo.
Everybody has to start
Basag
somewhere.
ang tore nyo.
understood.
Basag ang tore nyo.
Enemy has been slain.
Lermo.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
You destroyed a turret.
Kahit ang mangyari,
Launch attack. Slain.
malaban tayo. Tara, sige natin. Nakulit ako eh. Itong batang ito. Yan. Paano ba natin ito? Baba sa akin ito.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Okay.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet. Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Understood.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply. In the world of kung fu, speed defines the winner.
Talaga ko ba to? Ang talo.
Turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed the turret.
I-push.
In the world of kung fu, speed defines the winner.
Ally has been slain.
May dadaan dito. May dadaan sana dito. Talo to. Ito. Bugbog sa
Everybody has to start somewhere.
bugbog. bugbog. Sabi ko eh. Hindi ko na. Sabi ko eh, bugbog. Bugbog na naman
Empty
to.
your cup in order to fill it again.
Bugbog lagi. Kawawa. Kawawa. Run. Ang kapit na ito. Push.
Our turret is under attack.
Ayan, 5K na pala tayo.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Tara, push tayo dito.
Double kill.
Ubus, ubus. Ubus.
Rampage.
Ubus ka na.
Ally has been slain.
Not knowing oneself, that's the
Double
worst.
kill.
Empty your cup
Our
in order
turret
to
is
fill
under
it again.
attack. Our turret is under attack.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Our turret has been destroyed.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet. Darkness.
Our turret is under attack. Shut down. Enemy rampage. Our turret is under attack. Has been destroyed.
6K na pala tayo.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
An enemy.
Kala mo kaya.
Launch attack. Okay.
Hindi mo na ako kaya.
Everybody has to start somewhere. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. The man who can beat me is not born yet.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
Dance tayo pala tayo.
Defeat.
Mag-dance tayo sa